Hey guys, it's your boy Gaijin Invader, and in this video I'll be showing you the actual problem of having a laser printer and all of the prints coming out with some weird marks and lines. So for example, we've done a test print on this brother HL-4570CDW, and as you can see on the test print, we have some repeating patterns on line 5, in between line 5 and 6. So we have 1, 2, 3 repeating patterns, actually 4 of them, as you can see. 4 repeating patterns. So instead of actually going into the toner cartridges, I think it's the fuser roller, and I'll show you why. So if we open the back of the printer, of the laser printer, we can locate over here under this flap the fuser. And if we rotate the fuser a little bit by using this card, we can see actual physical damage on the fuser. You see the surface is coming off, it's not smooth anymore. And if we rotate a little bit more, we can see another spot where it's really damaged. So I think that this spot actually is what's causing the marks on the paper, because the mark shape, if you look at the mark shape, is identical to that. I can just flip it real quick. So that's the mark on the paper, and that's the spot on the roller, on the fuser. So that's 100% the culprit of the issue there, and the fuser roller would need replacing, otherwise it's gonna keep printing with artifacts. So yeah, that's it. That's how to fix your laser printer if you get weird printing issues on your paper. Peace out.